Business tycoon Tagwirei made his wealth in the fuel sector and did not use any political connections to achieve his status, President Emmerson Mnangagwa's biographer Eddie Cross has said. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before I go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Cross said Tagwirei, who de-invested from the fuel sector 4 years ago, used his company Secunda Holdings and links with international organizations to become rich. There have been claims that Tagwirei made his fortune from the government's Command Agriculture program, which was implemented in 2016 to avert food shortages. It wasn't political connections that made him rich, Cross said. He has become extremely rich and KUTYA is extremely bright. He owned a fuel company, one of the bigger ones, and the Trafigura guys bought him out and made him a director and trebled the size of the business, as they are the third largest trading company in the world. So it was under Trafigura that he made very substantial money, and he is still a wealthy man. He is a billionaire and it is his own money. These are success stories. This is today's news about Eddie Cross fighting in Tagwirei's corner. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.